Hi, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, World Crypto NFTs. Dear fans, as you know, I always come available project related to crypto token, NFT project, mining, website, plate ones, and a lot of more. So, dear fans, today I have bring another awesome crypto meme project that is called Depression Inno. So dear friends, in this video I will explain each and everything related to this amazing project, that how can you buy it, you can hold, and later you can sell and make a lot of passive income. So don't skip any part of this video. So before going to start further review, I would request you, if you are new on my YouTube channel World Crypto NFTs, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of all upcoming videos notifications. So let's start the review now. So dear friend, the official website is depressioninno.com, and I have placed link in my video description. You simply click on it and you will come here and join this amazing platform. So dear friends, it must be kept in your mind that I am not your financial advisor. I'm not advising you. So do your own risk before investing in this project, because using a crypto meme is a risk of meme coin investment as well. Here, welcome to the Depression Inno, and dear fans, this project is using the coin for entertainment purpose only, and useless and rat poisoning crypto meme coin. So recommended investing no more than afford a loss as well. Here we can also check out that how can you buy this token. So it is very easy way. You can also go to the Radium and you can also swap this token as well. Here you can also find out its contract address, and you can also check out the contract address here as well. Here we can also check out the token mix. So DEF has 100% LP burn, liquidity burn. Here you can also check the total supply is 2.4 billion and mint revoked, and there is a 0% tax on buy and sell as well. Mint authority null and freeze authority are also null. And here, if you want to be buy this one, if you are interesting, so then you simply click on this link, and you can also find out link in my video description. Then you will be drive on the radium.io as well. Here you need to check out this deep Inno, and now you can also connect your wallet in which you have your some soul, some balance, like that Quantum, Solfair, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or any other wallet. You can easily connect your wallet from here, and then you need to enter your amount, how much you want to be spent here. Dear friends, if you want to be spend one soul, then you can check out how much deep Inno coin you can get right now. So dear friends, do your own research, and then you can invest here, and you can also hold it, and later you can sort of make a passive income as well. Here you can also check out all detail here. So you must become on radium.io, and you can also swap it right now as well. Here we can also check out that their social link, and I also recommend it to all of you must be follow them on their social media to get latest news and updates as well. Here you can also check out some more about the advice, and you can also learn the risk, and if you want to be contact, you can find out more information here as well. Here we can also check out the advice to potential investor, and you can also learn more information about this crypto meme project, that investment for amusement. And here you also check out all information, do your own diligence, be investment here as well. So here you can also find out their official email, and if you want to be get latest news and updates related to this amazing project, then you need to enter your email, password, subject, and type your passage, and then click on the send message. So it is easy way to attract and talk with them and send your message here as well. So dear friends, this is an awesome project, but do your own research before investing in this project as well. Now I also recommended all of you must be join its telegram channel and group to get latest news and updates, as well as you can attract with their growing and active community as well. Here I also recommended to all of you must be follow them on their Twitter account to get latest news and updates as well. Here you can also check more information. So here you can also check all detail here. And DFS you can also check out and must be joined its telegram group to check and attract with their growing and active community and latest news and updates as well. So dear friends, this is an amazing project that really can help you make a lot of passive income. I hope you like this video. Share with your friends. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.